歌らせた安らかOkay, refactoring audio. Sorry. This is, however, not recommended and can create undesired problems even if it seems to be working just fine. Read more about this in this article. Refactoring modules. Let's tidy up the code a bit. We are only interested in the field nodes of the props. So let's retrieve that directly. Directly. Mama. I could have done that. Done that. Hi. そっか。If you've forgotten what destructuring means and how it works, please review this. No, I know. We'll separate displaying a single note into okay, sorry. We'll separate displaying a single node into its own separate component node. Component. Sorry. Sorry. Lucky do. Where's the name? Okay. Looks like it. Note. Return. Return to the list. You know what? は夢だったために生きていただけどねHow do you do that? Oh, that's why.どうすりゃいいんかいしないまあまあまあWe don't need to use that. We'll separate displaying a single node and its own component node. Know that the key attribute must now be defined for note that the key attribute must now be defined for the node comp. Note that the key attribute must now be defined for the node component and note not for the li tag like before. A whole ちょっと待ってねA whole React application can be written in a single file. Although that is, of course, not very practical, common practice is to declare each component in its own file as an ES6 module. We have been using modules the whole time. The first few lines of the file main.jsx modules. Common practice is to declare each component in a file as a ES6 module. We have been using modules the whole time. Of course. Yes, modules are the official standard system for organizing JavaScript code into usable, self-contained key concepts, export, marks, variables, function classes, or constants with a module. Oh, the background music is very loud. Turn it off. Marks, variables, function classes, or constants with a module. as a public, so they can be used by other modules. A module can have multiple named exports and a single default export import used by a module to access the exports from another module scope. Code inside an ES6 module runs in its own scope. Code inside an ES6 module runs in its own scope, not the global scope, meaning top level variables and functions are local to that module. What am I reading? Code inside an ES6 module runs in its own scope, not the global scope, meaning top level variables and functions are local to the module unless explicitly exported. Strict mode. All ES6 modules are automatically in strict mode, which helps catch common coding errors and unsafe actions. Okay. Are you going to join any internship or experience? I don't know about that. Maybe or maybe not. Yeah. Who knows? My import, we have been using modules the whole time. The first few lines of the file main.jsx. Import two modules enabling them to be used in that file. The module React DOM client is placed into the React DOM, and the module that defines module that defines the main component of the app is placed inside the variable app. Let's move our node component into its own module. In smaller applications, components are usually placed in directory called components. I've been doing that already, man. In smaller applications, components are usually placed in a directory called components within the source directory. The convention is to name the file after the component. A possible directory structure for a project containing multiple components could be as follows. Main the components. Okay, like that, and like that. Okay. Component. I should change the name. The components. Yeah, that means I have component only. What the fuck? What the heck? Yeah. Oh. Now okay, it's fine. Let's change the name because I have to submit the code. That's why it's fine. AI に解説してもらったりしないんですか? I do that, but only when I get stuck. Not every time. I guess it's more important because I think there is much difference. By the way, things we are learning and we'll work on. What do you mean? Much difference. What's more important? The internship? You're talking about an internship? Well, if somebody gives me an internship, I'll do it. Yeah. If they be like, why was I naming it only component? God damn you, body. How did I name it? Let's name it that, and then let's name it components. I named them. No. The ass is missing. Ass. The ass. You know the ass. Okay. Mama. I think that's fine. Components. Okay, that's it. I don't have anything over there. Oh, should I know? What's wrong with this thing now? My God. Oh, why is it this? What do you mean by modified? So what? What should I do about it? Oh my Lord. Kamai. Okay, fine. So many things open. I'll have a look at it later. Okay. Okay. In smaller applications, components are usually placed in a directory called components within the source directory. The convention is to name the file after the component. A possible directory structure for a project containing multiple components could be as follows. Of course, now we'll create a directory called components for our application and place a file named node.jsx inside the contents of the file as follows. Already done that. The last line of the module export the declared module, the variable node. The declared module, the variable node. Now the file that is using the component app.jsx can, like I've already been doing that. Okay, can import the module. The component exported by the module is now available for use in variable node just as it was earlier. Note that when importing our own components, their location must be given in relation to the importing file. Wait, look, this anaconda thing is fuck you. Okay, the period in the beginning refers to the current directory. So the module's location is a file called node.jsx in the components subdirectory. of the current directory. The file name extension .jsx can be omitted. Modules have plenty of other uses other than enabling component declarations to be separated in their own files. Modules have plenty of other uses other than enabling component declarations to be separated into their own files. We will get back to them later in this course. The current code of the application can be found. Note that the main branch of the repository contains the code for a later version of the application. Note that the main branch of the repository contains the code for a later version of the application. The current code is in the branch. The current code is in the branch. If you God damn it. Okay, that's okay. If you clone the project, run the command npm install before starting the application with. What the fuck is that? Note that the main branch of the repository. What do I do with it? Bro, I already have it. God damn it. If you clone the project, run the command npm before starting the application. When the application breaks early in your programming career, and even after 30 years of coding, like yours truly, what often happens in that application just completely breaks down. This is more so the case with dynamically typed languages, such as this is even more so the case with dynamically typed languages such as JavaScript, where the compiler does not check the data type. For instance, function variables or return values. React explosion can, for example, looks like this. Boom, boom, red. It's all red. In these situations, your best way out is the console.log method. Okay. In these situations, your best way out is the console.log method. The piece of code causing the explosion is this. Course header. Should I build a sorry. Okay, exercises. Let's go. In these situations, your best way out is the console.log method. The piece of code causing the explosion is course app const. Okay, will hone. Oh yeah. What's wrong with you? Will hone in on the reason for the breakdown by adding console.log commands to the code because the first thing to be rendered is the app component. It's worth putting the first console log there because the first thing to be rendered is the app component. It's worth putting the first console log there. To see the printing in the console, we must scroll up over the long. When one thing is found to be working, it's time to log deeper. If the component has been declared as a single statement or a function without a return, it makes printing the console order. I'm there actually. There where? JSX. I don't know. What's up? Akshat. Okay. Okay. Can't we have it over here just like that? Bro. Oh, you cannot pass. Okay, we'll do direct destructuring over. Kuwadai. Oh, like that, mama. Ikido. It's just one, so of course we can do that as well. It's wheel. It's the mall. What have I been writing? Is that wrong? Not really. Mites. Mites simple. Fuck you. I'm gonna write it like that. I don't care about you. Sorry. Header? What is this header thing now? God damn it, I have to make so many. Import this, import that. Ah! Eh? Kuwanai. Kuwane. Kitane yarotasai. Kitanai. Sorry, what do you, fuck it. Isn't it stupid? Wait a minute, I don't know what the fuck was I doing. Objects are not valid as a React child. Yeah. I mean, that's a whole fringing object that we are passing as a prop, which is not allowed. Objects are not valid as a React child. React child. Props are also object. Will hone it on the reason for breaking down by adding console.log. Damn it, fuck it, man. It's stupid. When one thing is found to be working, it's time to log deeper if the component has been declared as a single statement or a function. Without a return, it makes the printing console harder. The component create one more header. Damn it. What am I even doing? When one thing is found to be working, it's time to log deeper. If the component has been declared as a single statement or a function without a return, it makes printing to the console harder. Yeah, I don't ever care about it. The component should be changed to its longer form for us to add the printing. Of course. Quite often the root of the problem is that the props are expected to be of a different type or called with a different name than they actually have. Quite often the root of the problem is that the props are expected to be of a different type, or called with a different name than they actually have, and destructuring fails as a result. The problem often begins to solve itself when destructuring is removed and we see what the props contain. Destructuring the move props like that. If the problem has still not been solved, sadly, that isn't much to do about continuing to bug hunt by sprinkling more console.log. I think it's fine, I cannot try that. Statement around your code. I added the chapter to the material after the model. Answer for the next question excluded completely. Model? I added the chapter to the material after the model answer for the next question excluded completely due to props being of wrong type, and I had to debug it using I added the chapter to the material after the model answer for the next question. For the next question excluded completely due to props being of wrong type, and I had to debug it using wait a minute. I use AI, but I don't show it on stream. I don't like to. Only for explanations. I got this question a lot. माता खराब करते हो मेरे कूले दुख रहे Exactly, this is how real applications are built. If you have flashcard with front, back, and SRT, easiness factor passing those as a 5 separate props as a maturity gets clustered your code into one object and pass the object here exactly. You to break it down. Shikanai inu. If you're a parent, the child component receive the object. If your child component receive props inside a data used destructuring to unpack. Oh, can I do that? Why this matters? You cannot see that, right? Of course. That's good. You say want to print the whole object. So Okay. I added this chapter to the material after the model answer for the next question exploded completely due to props being of the wrong type, and I had to debug it using console.log. Okay, before the exercise, let me remind you what you promised at the end of this part. I will have my browser do progress as I will write lots of console.log statements to make sure I understand how the code behaves, and I will be more promise if my code does not work. I will not write more code. Instead, I started writing the code until it works, or just return to a state when everything was still working. When I ask what happened in the code, who uses Discord? Sorry. The exerciser. I do that every time. The exerciser part of the time. Okay. Course information step 6. Should I name it course information? Bitch. Okay, let's see. Let's finish the code for rendering course contents from exercises 1.1, 1.5. You can start with the code from the module answers. You can start with the code from the module answers. The module answers for part 1 can be found by going to submission system. Model answers. For part 1 can be found by going clicking on my submission at the top in the row corresponding to part 1 under the solutions column. Click on show to see the solution of the course info exercise. I don't get it. Note that if you copy a project from one place to another, you might have to delete the not modules directory and install dependencies again. Generally, it's not recommended that you copy a project's whole content or add. Let's change the app contents so well, app course. The fuck's going on here? Course. Yo. Yeah, it's not even the question. Question doesn't even start yet. What they are talking about. Let's finish the code for rendering course contents from exercise 1.1 to 1.5. You can start with the code from the model answers. Okay, the model answers for part 1 can be found by part 1. Part 1. God damn, what should I do now? I think I need to use my GitHub and all that. Why is this thing so stupid? I don't know what the fuck is that. God damn it. Sorry. Fuck it. Okay. Be back, man. I need to pee. And then I'll figure out. I haven't even started. That's fucking loud. It's fucking loud. Okay, let's see. Let's finish the code for entering course contents from exercise 1.1 to 1.5. I think it was course info. Exercise 1.1. Yeah. You can start with the code from the model answers. The model answers for part 1 can be found by the submission system clicking on my submissions at the top, and in the raw corresponding for part 1 under the solution column, clicking on show to see the solution of course info exercise. Click on app under course. So इसका yeah, it's this one. Should I just copy everything? I'm gonna create a new one. That was for that one. That's it. I'm just gonna create a new one. npm installed, I think. Yeah. What's up? npm create tweet latest. Yeah, sometimes I forget the basic commands. I'm good. What about you, the guy? Course information. I think it'll be like that. Course information only. क्या है Bro, I was already using this. Mama, I think we have some more. A few more of those. Mama. It's fine. It's fine. I get that out of here. बाहर में गया है सब कुछ. हट जा बहन जो आ जाता है. सॉरी. गाली क्यों देता हूँ मैं बहुत बुरी. Sorry. So a bad guy. I don't like that. How much did you lose today? Yo, Enfield. Okay, we'll do it. $800. Damn. That's a lot. How much is 800? Ain't giving up, man. $72. I can buy a fucking new PC with that. With that much money. I know I can do better. Yeah. Yeah, today you lost. Today you lost my PC. Stop losing, man. Losing is not fun. It's fine like that. That's the last time I'm making that kind of thing. Don't worry about that. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy all that. Okay. I think it's all this. That's why. So I didn't even need to. Okay. Yeah, you'll know why I'm doing this. Wow. That's fine. Can I copy the whole folder? Paste it over here. Yeah, that's it. And PMI cute waifu. There ain't no cute waifus. Losing. Okay. Note that if you copy a project from one place to another, you might have to delete the node modules directory and install the dependencies again with the command npm install before you can start the application. Already, it's not recommended that you copy a project's whole content or add the node modules directly to the version control. Let's change the app component like so. Half off. いいんじゃないの。英語だ。Okay. Oh wow. How do you stop it? Fuck it, I'm just gonna do it like that. Yeah, it stops. Fails to resolve import component content. Sorry. Hard na. Components だよね。Component じゃねえんだよ。そうだよ。いや、Anaconda में भी यही है ना। Components だけど。そっか。What's AM? modified. Can I? Sure. Why are these? After sorry, I'm a bit skeptical. Okay, that's how the thing looks. Not gonna lie, if I just invested all of the money I have gambled with, I would have been up at least 200k by now. Damn. You would have been rich. Damn. You could have bought a fucking house. Can you buy a house with 200k? $200 kilo. Oh, houses are like a trees. 400k. Well, you could have bought. Yeah, you would have been able to buy a half house. Half house. Least is 400k. And that's very expensive, man. What's 200k? 200k. इकाई दाई सैकड़ा 1000 10,000 लाख. That's 200k, right? Oh, इकाई दाई सैकड़ा 1000 10,000 लाख 10 लाख करोड़ 1 करोड़ 81 लाख, almost 2 crore. Damn. I generally get it on market. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. Money. Okay, half application part. Like that. Oh, it's only returning this thing. I need to create a new one. I'll just copy this. Okay, I don't have that. Well, this time is okay. Stop. Returning a div and a header. That's a fucking requirement. Maybe I should get back to coding as well, so I can make a lot of money. Of course, then you can invest. You should, man. You already know stuff. You just have to pull out your tested sword. Pull out. Instead of gambling, I can just invest. Yup. Let's build our own gambling app. Yeah. Then we are gonna yeah, we are gonna yeah, okay, yeah, then we will make other people gamble and gonna lose their money. I'm only gambling because that's the fastest way to lose or make money. You're only losing though. For how long have you been losing? Imagine you could have invested those how much money you have lost? 50k? Investing that 50k amount 50k in your app. Man, you would have made 5 million with that much money. Course is not defined an app. Of course it's not defined. Oh, let's go. Objects are not valid as a React child. If you meant to enter a collection of children, use an array. Course that we gave that again we just passing it to header. Header is like props. Bad financial decisions is what I am gonna. Man, you have lost 50k, right? इकाई दहाई सैकड़ा हजार 10,000 इकाई दहाई सैकड़ा हजार 10,000 लाख 10 lakh. Damn, you could have hired a bunch of Indians and yeah, just gave them money to build your app for you. Okay, what am I writing? Half stack. Okay. Header. Yeah, this time isn't it fucking stupid this time? Wait a minute, what's going on? Return course app. Define a component responsible for formatting a single course. I have no idea what am I doing right now. App. We have an app. Then we have the course. Course is header hash header, and then there is the content. Header, and then there is the content. Content has path, of course. What's content? Lighty, lighty, la 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 la. At 4 course क्या तेल लेने at 4 2 header no, this time it's objects are not valid as a React child. Where am I using it? As a React child, I'm not using it any. That's course. I can provide it like that. That's totally fine. Then course. That's 4. What if I move to 5? That becomes 5. Of course. Okay, then that's. We can live in Japan. How? Where is this header coming from? Oh. That's how. That's how. What? I think I don't see your full message. I only see we can live in Japan. Can you read? Can you not read the chat? That was all. We can live in Japan. That's how. That's it. I don't see anything. This time is different. We have properties like that. Then we have part. Array. Just become rich. Then you can live it. But you don't have to be rich. Just get a job. Wait a minute. Okay, I think I know. It should be header. Header is fucked up. Header. We get the same thing. Profs.course. Yeah. That's what we are doing. That's the thing. We cannot do that. Right, because we have that as well. Still, it should show the same error. Yeah. I just married you. Damn. I'm not marrying a rich waifu. Just so that I can live. You think so low. You're so cheap. Should be ashamed of yourself. Ashamed of yourself. Yeah. We cannot run that. Or should we get that thing? It's not lol. It's not good. It's not good to think like that. You're not so good. What are you working on? I'm trying to solve these questions. I mean, it's... Yeah, this time it's... They are telling me to build this fucking... I mean, it's... Not building anything, I'm just trying to... Yeah. Debug the code. Debug. I'm just gonna write it. I'm trying to write it with the new syntax. I gotta think. That's a stupid thing. That doesn't work. Is it fine now? Okay. It's fine now. That looks so boring, lol. It is. It's so boring. It is boring, man. Define a component responsible for formatting a single course called course. See, fuck. Oh, yeah. Could have told me to build it from the scratch. Could have told me. But no, we want it like that. Fuck you. Okay, the component structure of the application can be, for example, the following. Hence, the course component contains the course dot name. This was happened that there. That's why we're adding the course only here now. Okay, that's fine. The component structure of the application can be for hence the course component. Hence the course component contains the components defined in the previous part, which are responsible for rendering the course name and its parts. God damn. That's so not code. Oh my god. Sorry. It was okay. But no, I want it like that. Content dane. Content. Wow. I mean what? Yeah. Hence, the course component contains the components defined in the previous part, which are responsible for rendering the course name and its parts. Wow, that's so funny. I'm just gonna copy it, man. That's the content one. I'm just gonna do the same thing, man. I don't have brain to. Brain to brain. Content. It's there, but no. That there. Sorry. Content. Alias. जाने सारे हैं जाने सा. Wow, I love it. I'm a flirt. Okay, that's not. I will have a div. Whoa. What a wow. Yeah, again. You give me that. Nani sore? I give it the whole thing. I can give it. If you wanna take it, I can give it. Okay, sorry. You. I go off the track. I go to the tracks, railway tracks. Cannot read property of undefined. Folder इसको. तुम्हारी बहस की तुम्हारी content. Hot man. Sorry. Yeah, sa. Content dakido だけど sorry parts. Well, what can I do with parts now? Fundamentals of React. Oh, that's the name and then exercise. So that's the I mean, it's no use. I'm gonna go to the parts. Privacy. There is no such thing as privacy. If you live, okay, part. If you live, then you die. That's it. Oh, I don't even see any part. Part is parted. Contents. Sorry. 65. Wow. Now what's wrong with this? 65 is there. Why don't I see this? Yeah, I will do that too. Wait. Kiddo. Man, writing code is so easy. Fucking debugging it is so fucking... Okay, what am I getting? I get the whole thing. I only want the parts. Okay, I only want the parts. Can I see you? Yeah, I can see it. I only want the parts. Then I want that. I want to see that too. Okay, then that's the path, and then 10 tone. I only want the path. Let's see, you got a thing. Okay. We'll change one thing only. We'll change this to course. Course is fine, right? Yeah. Very still. No, that does nothing. Of course, it's not gonna do anything. I know that. Cannot read path. Okay, path dot 0 dot name. I didn't have to do that. Okay, sorry. I want to see the... Oh. Can't even access that fucking thing. You know what? You go tail lene. I will do this. Can I even... What am I? Cannot read property of undefined. How the fuck is that? Parts is an array. Array of 1. Why, you know what? Yes. Can I hit? Can I hit you? Nothing fucking. Nothing is fucking. Eh? Wait a minute. Cannot read property of undefined. Reading paths. Content on GSX. Content 7. Get the fuck out of here. Let me see that first. Okay. That's the same thing. Yeah, I know that. It's the same thing. Just let me. Kaka. Oh, why is. Oh, it's undefined. Oh, so what the fuck was this then? Oh. Why is this thing undefined? What am I even doing? To learn something, you have to do coding stuff first. Yup, that's true. It's undefined. Yeah. Wait a minute. I don't want to do that anymore. Props. Okay. That's my props. Then parts. And 0. Can I do? How the fuck now? Cannot read property of undefined. How the unknown. Yeah, no. That's bar. What am I doing? What? Yeah. God damn it. God damn it. My. Everything is. Bro, didn't I do it? Did I do it last time? Pausing at the right thing.ちょっ とね。Wait a minute, I need to think clearly. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, fuck off. I don't need you. That's course. Not name. You stupid fucking code. 2, 1. Isn't it same? まあ、same かな。どうかな。どうかな。The one. The one is the full thing. The two is this. The one I get the course. A course Yada bada, bada bada, 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 la 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 la. That's not even like, what the fuck is that? Is that how you do it, destructioning? Oh. Yeah, of course. But why is it undefined? Yeah. Yeah, content 65. Shouldn't I get that? Define a component responsible for formatting. What? As the course, a component contains the components defined in the previous part. Hence, the course component contains the components defined in the previous part, which are responsible for rendering the course parts. You don't need the sum of the exercise yet. Sukka. The application must work regardless of the number of parts of course has. So make sure the application works if you add or remove parts of a course. Ensure that the console shows no error. I already have code, but I just need to update it. You can do it. You can do it. Of course. Da yo ne. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one right now. I will try this. Boy. Ma kiddo. Okay, the core 65 should be still that fucking thing. Nothing array. Core 65. Course 65. 16. What am I? Name Janine Dayo parts. Content 65 is course. जो कौन सा कोर्स करिए course, where is it? That's a very ass code. Course. Chorus. Oh, hand current. इतना गू चाप कैसे रखता है That's so stupid ass. That's so stupid. You should check. There was nothing wrong. There was nothing wrong with it. Sorry. Sorry. Oh. Sorry. I say sorry. I said sorry. I said sorry. There was nothing wrong with there. God damn, you should look for the typos. I should look for the typos, bro. What if I don't? That still won't solve it. That still won't solve it, cause content 65 is object inside an object. Like props is object in itself. Then we have course, which is another object. So we destructure it. Okay. Destructure. Sorry. Then 0, 0, 0. It becomes like that. Then we access the sag. Sorry. Ma. Sorry. हट बे बाप को दिखा रहे हैं लोंडे sorry I'm very sorry sorry that Okay, no. That's one. That's two. Bro, that was so ass. You should do print, console log. Oh my lord. And be aware of the typos. Be careful of the typos. What is... okay. I've done it, so why are you fucking crying? Stupid. Stupid lip. Stop. Sorryだけど。Okay, I don't want any print spike bells. Next time. Content 65 still is there. Content 65, content. Yeah. It's not easy, bro. Hence the course component contains... Okay. I've done it somehow. Hence the course component contains the components defined. Course component contains the components defined in the previous part, which are responsible for rendering the course name and its part. The rendered page can, for example, look as follows. You don't need the sum of exercises yet. The application must work regardless of the number of parts course has. So make sure the application works if you add or remove parts of a course. Ensure that the console shows no error. Information step 7. Yeah, already step 7. So. Okay, show also the sum of the exercises of the course. Oh, it should be in bold. It should be bold now. Dayone. What's total? My ketu. I already have a total one. I can just add a total. Total to it. What's this redux? Redux? Do I even have something in that? I don't think so. State component exercises. Ma. Chotto ne. Oh, I think it's... I know. I should only pass. I'm passing the whole thing to it. That's why. Like for content, I only need the part. So I should part the part. Yeah, that's ain't that stupid. I'm being ass right now. I'm being ass. Of course. I should go to the course and just that's it. Okay. Yeah, I'm the stupid one here, not this thing. Man, was so you're so, why are you so sorry. Can I see the parts? Props, I mean. Sorry, I said sorry. Then I have course. Sorry. I did it, I mean. That's why. I was being ass. I was stupid, silly. I was being silly. Sully. Can I be your Julie? Aja. Okay, it's fine now. Yeah. Should give the thing what it needs only, not the whole thing. I was passing the props wrong way. Yeah, that's what happens when you people have background music for the stream, for their streams. Well, I make my own. I have the natural sound. My back cracks, my burps, my ahs, my moaning, my crying, all that. Where you gonna get all that? That's for free. Everything's for free. It's for free. Free that got Sorry. So sorry fucking time. Okay. Hence the course I have 3 parts. Content is at the level. Shouldn't it be course? Course should be inside content. Not the parts. I そうだね。Oh, I misunderstood. My bad, my lord. Me lord. Me lord. Again, can somebody please us? Again. Again. Can I be yours? You would not believe your eyes. Damn in your fireflies. Lit up the world as I fell asleep. Live in the open air. There's yours everywhere. This ball is just hanging by a thread. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. I'm giving it only that. I need to pee. Got any fucking circles. Galleries. Oh wait, when I'm asleep. It seems. Yeah, just do that. I'll be back. I cannot hold it anymore. नहीं करना भाई, इधर दे देंगे भाई ईड़े अरे इसको खाने नहीं देगा इसको can I just be ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਪੱਟੇ ਉਹ ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਪੱਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਿੱਲੀ ओके ये तो मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में, दिखता हूँ मैं दुकानों में, दुनिया बनाई अपने हाथों से, जज्बातों से, मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में. Water. I drink some water. Okay. Okay, let's see what we can do now. Content is not defined. Content is not defined. Okay. Congratulations. It's not defined.そうだね。そうだね。そうですよ。Of course. We don't even need these. That means we only need content. Should be like that. Okay, it works. Mama, done. Okay, stop that. Show also the some of the exercises of the course. Now we can call this guy. Please come here. That guy be like. Okay. Yeah, of course. Total is total. Yeah, I already have this thing. Course. And what I need. Dot cannot read undefined, of course. Undefined, of course. Sorry. Path name path. I'm getting the power. I'm getting an array. Let's see, like, should I use this bracket or this? Let's do it first like that only. Just like I and I have the parts only. Arigatou gozaimasu. I need to people be silent for a while. Be silent. Yeah, be dead. Number of exercises. Okay. Bigari. Okay, number of exercises, and then our total is undefined. Everything is undefined. Today everything is undefined. But okay, my God. Parts. I think that's wrong. Oh no, but it's undefined. Much. Really, I'm getting an array. But props is an object. Then I get the parts. Parts is stupid. That's it. Look at the course. God damn it. God damn it. Are you stupid? I mean, parts and you know what, like, that's parts. Sorry, what's going on? Okay. That's the thing that I get. Then I destructure it. Doesn't need to become an share. Oh, chotto ne. I'm stupid, that means. I'm just stupid. Getting the same thing. The name. Can't just name it. Yeah. Can't just name it whatever you want. Asshole. あ、え、はいはいはいはい。わかれわかれわかれ。コースだけど。あ、いいか。やったー。やった。Shouldn't that be? Redux. I don't have that one. Reduce. I only have these many. Fuck your Redux. I have, I only 31, 31, 11, 2, 42. That's why I don't have that in my array. Did you add that? Not really. Yeah. Off. That's it. Go half off. I'll add it. Okay. I don't need to. Exercises 11. It's fine. Yo, this yo, and this yo. Now what's wrong with you? Of course. You want more. You want more of that. You're so beautiful to me. Then but 3 42. How do I make it bald? Can I bald you? P. Is there anything that I can do? Fine. What's this? TES. What? Okay. Step 8. And then step 9. Step 10 is... Yeah, it's so simple. Night mode? Step 10, no. Step 8. It works. Vatican won't let me type in chat. Why? Why is that? Vatican, please let him chat. If you haven't done so already, calculate the sum of exercises with the array method reduce. Pro tip: when your code looks as follows. Where I did like manually, which is reduce function path. Of course, that's an array. Understandable. Here I'm gonna name it course only. ちょっとね。 はいいんだよ。I'm naming it course, that's why. माँ की तेरी. Okay, I'm again gonna change it. Okay, Maika. That's why. Bro, what? That's what happens. Mama. That's also going to become a part. Can I be your part? Can I rip you apart? Parts, Johnny. I know. What's wrong with it? Ajotomate? Hot? Oh, it works. Okay. Parts again. Yeah, I've been doing that. Mama, ikado. I know. Okay. Works. Still works. Hi. Okay. Parts is my parts. Okay. Array. Is it my array? That's my array, right? Yeah, parts is my array. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. My reduce method. We'll have a look at it. We know how to use it. We just look at the syntax. Okay. Reduce. Split joint reduce method. Reduce is reduce. Reduce is reduce. Why add one more? Like accumulator and all that. Accumulator you have, right? Of course. Ha. What are you talking about? Boy. Accumulator. Like some, okay. That'll be part. And you can do that. I have no problem. My initially it's going to be 0. My 0. Oh, Janio. 0, okay. Should it be like that? Yeah, accumulator is the result. Sum equals parts. I take a part. Okay. And exercises yeah. まあいいか。plus some まあいいかよいいか。いいんじゃないの。いいんじゃないですか。sorry what have I done? Well, if you are using that, then you have to. Oh, wow. You're so intelligent. What the hell is that? That's an array. That's why. It should be zero only and an array, bro. Okay. Okay, my 이게 너 If you haven't done so already, calculate the sum of exercises with the array method. Reduce. Pro tip. When your code looks as follows, total parts are reduced as P. Some magic here and does not work. It's worth it to use console.log, which requires the arrow function to be written in its longer form. Not working? Use your search engine to look up how reduce is used in an object array. I did it, boy. Shut up. Course information. Step 9. Let's extend our application to show an arbitrary number of courses. Sorry. Oh. Before courses, course was only course. Courses. It was only one course. Now it's courses. Courses. Okay. Ma. Okay. Nice. Okay. Hold on. Only. Nani sore. Okay, it starts here. It ends here. It ends here. But it's just the start thing, not the end. And then we have a few more courses which are like that. Yasa. まあいいけど、you know what? え、え、え、my mouse doesn't work. Bro, I just want to select this thing. I can't even do that. Somebody help. Help. Please, I beg you. Beg your pardon? Now the right click doesn't work. Left click, I mean. Oh, please. I'm too poor to buy a new mouse. Bro, it's so not good. I don't want to touch anything. But it's my room. Yes, but no. Yes, but no. Yo, you cannot. Let's go. I can't even click. I'll just use it, man. Oh my lord. It's not easy to be poor. Well, let's type it manually. Well, it's gonna turn on as well. Oh, Node.js course. I'll be stronger. Exercise this 3. ID 1 is okay. I'll be stronger than I am. Oh, it doesn't work. My mouse. Don't I have another one? Maybe I do. Maybe not. Last time I smashed that mouse. Please. The left click doesn't work. Is it right? Yeah, left click. Right one works. Oh, it started working, but still not so properly. Okay, I just want to copy this. Yeah, come on. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. No, I'm just gonna write it. Middlewares, exercises 7. ID would be 2 only. 2. Okay. Will be. Okay. The application can, for example, looks like this. Oh, this time yeah, I should use that instead of, yeah, I should use, even for this I shouldn't use this. It should be even for this I'm gonna use a map function. Yeah, of course, nothing works. Okay, again, okay, that's course become courses. That's it. Course become courses. Okay, now cannot read property of undefined. That's an array. Course become courses. We go to course now. Props, let's see what we are getting. We are getting a full array which we destructure it. I mean, of course we're going to get a object inside an array, and this is our array that we have. So you guys be like that only? Why only? Am I still shadow banned? What, like, were you typing something in the chat? I only saw this thing. come from your real ID. YouTube is telling you that. Use your real YouTube account. This is a why teacher sucks. Yeah. Okay, that's that. This time, it's not just that. I don't need to. ちょっと待ってね。まあ。Okay. First is the heading only. What I need is just the 0 index and it works like a charm. Chime. Okay, now 2 more to go. Oh yeah, that's the cons. That's the cons. Okay, we have the 2-second one. Array and then objects. Do we have something to do with it? Half development. We'll do one at a time. Let's make it work and then we'll include all the other ones. Yeah, we can do that. That's very easy. Course parts. Oh, that's it. I don't really need to do anything. That's it. Boy, it works. It works. Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. Mama. Oh, would I have that? Okay. Let me see that. Node chairs and then routine all that. Should I write okay, you know what, people, we do that. Oh, wow. Okay, map would be good. All right, whatever. Map is map. Okay. A function item will later. Okay. Item will have the course, so course is an array. Oh, at least give me that. Okay. Course is an array. So index 10. Okay, and then they are oh, sorry. Make it all item index and then item index so Janezo okay, not you sorry, why do I even need the index? Not really. Dot name kana. Nine. That's wrong. It's not working as intended. Mama injanai index. That's you know, courses is this, the elements are objects. So first element is that. So yeah, it should work. Well. Yeah. That's not how it works, buddy. And it should be inside a div. Oh, sorry. I was going to say that word. Yeah, the one that you're thinking of. Yeah, I wanna copy it from here. Copy, paste. There you go. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's an HTML. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, yeah. Okay, that goes there like that. Okay, we'll still we will not. Okay, now it's this thing. Why not? I mean, why not? I mean, kana. That's what we have right now, and we go over the courses. Not map. Oh wow, item, and all we need is okay. Show something. I don't like that. I know. That's the thing that we have, and then what we want is the path. Item dot part, which is an array. So parts be like yeah, parts be like yeah, parts be like yeah. Should I? Should I? Yeah, am I gonna have to do another map function? Map inside of a map. Mama. Let me go the parts. Let me go to parts first. Yeah, I'm at the parts. Parts. I think I'll be like I'll be like that yeah, that's wrong. But still, I just no. You must work. I'll be like I'll be stop it. Okay, but I think I need to use one more array. Yeah, one more array. Like parts is also an array. Item, then we get the parts. Parts be like parts be like sorry. Parts be like should it not be we'll go with this thing. Parts be like okay, shut up at who okay though sure how parts have that, so no already. And empty, so inside of one is okay kana. And this is gonna create chodomare. Sorry, what's wrong with you now? Yeah, nothing works. Who am I talking to? But I'm gonna be like, one more map please, and he'd be like, yeah. Like what the hell? Yeah, いいかなちょっと I should stop sniffing names かな Oh please test What kind of test are you doing? Chotto ne matte, chotto matte. Yeah, why take an subset today for some reason? Because you lost $800 instead of buying a YouTube Premium. That's why YouTube is upset. Shut up. Shut up. These. I don't need to. I'm gonna go over. Oh. I'm just. What's going on? What the hell is this, bro? Not you people. I should console log. What the hell am I mean? Yeah, that's ma. What? Fuck off. Oh, what? Okay, get the hell out of here, boy. Get the hell out of here, boy. Okay, okay, that's an item. Okay, now this time. Okay, console log. We'll console log the item. First we go with the item. Okay, we get two objects, one each. What if we do the parts only? We want the parts only. We got it like that. Okay. Boom. So we know which boom. What boom is happening? It's an AI boom. Okay, that's a 4 of array and that's 2 of array. I mean 4 elements, whatever, yeah. Then what can I do? Can I access name? Not really. Why am I trying to do everything over here? Why not here? Yeah, I'll do it over here. Mama. Like again we have an array. Again we are playing with an array. Why not one more map function? Why not? Why the fuck not? Then again, item be like that. Console.log will be like that. Hot. Oh, undefined. Wow. Everything is undefined. Wow. Wow. Which one is wow? Oh. What's wrong with this one? Everything is undefined for this one. Who cares about that? Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. I'm a little bit item.name. Oh, please. Oh, だよね。だから sorry, I should have that. It's inside the console log. Mama, I can. Why not return it there? Return everything like that. Oh my lord. Aren't they too much? Too many this today. Okay, this one is this. What's you then? I think that's double one. Expected. Okay, let me go through this thing again. There should be this. Hi, this is this. Expected this. Expression bad. Oh. One like that. What have I done with this? The code. Okay, this is that. Oh, why console log? I don't want a console log anything. That you know what? I got it like a cut. Got it like a cut? Wow. We don't need it. Boom. How about that, boy? Ain't that good? We're missing this, which is this only, and this is this only. No, this is you know what? Why do all that? Why do all that? Nah. Fucking hell. You know what? I'm removing all that shit. Oh, still doesn't work. It was working. It was working, but then it stopped working. Oh my lord. Okay, okay, don't cry. We go back to the we go back to the comments, boys and boys. What up? I mean, there is still. Yeah, そうだね。おハートベタティ Sorry. I mean, like, cannot read property of undefined reading name. Shut up. It's just an console log. Shut up. So cannot read property JS13. There is nothing. Content. What? There's 13. Yo. I should stop. Trying to do everything. Why that? Why not? Why two bitches when I can just have one? Boom, boys. I've got it. Anjawre. Reading name typer. Hut. चोरी कर रहा है मेरे सामने. Okay. Okay. What's this? Content header. Okay. Yeah, I was trying to do everything over here. Then I didn't even look at this thing. But if I remove all that, then I would not need it. And that's why. So, I was stupid. I was very silly. I should stop saying stupid. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's totally fine. Okay. Once you get it. Okay. Say okay, fucking. Sorry. Content 65. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. あゆだ。いきわり。おう。Parts. いきわり。What did I think about it? Each child in there should have a unique key. Can you please you have the keys? Can I have the keys? You should also have keys. No? Key is going to be. Key is going to be your ass. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I don't care about a fucking key. Not at the moment. Mama. This content 65. Content 65. I get an array. I have. Yeah, ちょっとね。Content not needed yet. Not needed, okay. Content not needed. That's giving me 2 arrays. Array of Igiwari. Wade niwa. What's this course? Are you out of your mind? Yo, come on, stop. I don't care about it. I have an array which contains 2 arrays. So this is an array. Now I canそうか。ちょっとあんたちょっと Okay, I'm gonna go. Cut it and gutter it map it and then slap it a letter item. That's a very bad code. Dot name だけどいいんじゃない？Fundamentals of React. Oh my lord. Item I don't, I don't need that. I don't need that. Oh,いいかな。どうかな。I don't know what the hell am I doing. Exercises. Oh my lord. Can I exercise? Exercise only. No.そっかそっか。そっかそっか。そうだね。そうだよね。Okay, exercise. Can you exercise for me? Okay. What the hell are you? What the hell is the one there? Well, I can store it in a variable instead of making it so complicated. No, we don't do that. No. Can I type now? God damn, you have been typing. Can't you not hear? Did YouTube make you deaf today? I can read your comments, bruh. Yes. Okay. What do you mean by finally? I could see all of your chat, all your chat. I don't even care anymore. Damn. Oh, sorry. Props. What am I getting? What am I getting? Lale. Sorry, const. そうだね。ふるふるるるるられられられられkarate karate can I do some karate can I beat your ass that's not gonna guess frustrating oh it's undefined now I'm also undefined what the fuck is this I don't want to do it yeah I give up why do you want to let me type in chat today God why is it undefined? Oh, it's I think I'm stupid, that's why it's undefined. I don't like that. Who even does that? Fuck. Whatever. I think yeah. I should not. I've been doing this for 6-7 hours, so I think I should. No, I'm writing bugs. That's it. So, what is even happening? My ass hurts. So I'm stopping. Don't be stupid, bro. Yep. Don't lose, bro. Do you like that? Bro's ass hurt. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, of course, that's it. I'm gonna start a Japanese one. Yeah, should I? I'm late. It's already 4 a.m. Not sure about it. If I want a Japanese one. If I want the Nash, can you give me? What kind of song is that? Can I have that Ash? Check the render method of Edge. It was passed as a child from the course. See for more information. It was passed as a child. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Whoa. I'm sorry. धूम मचा ले। ओके मैं तो है ना, मेरा हो गया है भाई आज का। तो अब उन्होंने क्या गंदा कोड लिखा है मैंने। अब ये क्या बना दिया अभी। चेक द हेडर। तो अभी ये क्या किया मैंने। मैं बंद ही कर देता हूँ यार। क्या I think I'm doing it wrong, totally wrong. I think this logic is going to be it's gonna go here. Yep. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll figure it out tomorrow. 2 days. That's it. That's the plan. Yo, before having a wife, I'm gonna lose all my hair. All of it. All of it. Oh yeah, that's it. Bye bye. I'm gonna eat something, or maybe I will start a new stream, but it's already 4 a.m. so maybe I will not. There is very little less. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.